In this tutorial, you will learn how to manage what users have access to by assigning them the relevant roles. In Koji, a user can have one of the two following roles: Koji admin or customer. Users with the Koji admin role are responsible for configuring Koji, managing the deployment of the Koji application, and managing users via the Koji backoffice. Users with the customer role are the end users of Koji and can only talk in the chat. You can view the list of users and their assigned roles by clicking Configuration. Tenants. My tenant users. By default, all users will be displayed, but you can filter the list and search for a specific user by using the username field and then clicking Refresh. You can change the role of a user by clicking the Set button in the corresponding column. Here, for instance, we will change the role of the first user from Koji admin to customer. And for this other user, we will change the role from customer to Koji admin. Make sure to click Refresh to display the updated information. Note that a Koji admin cannot change their own role and will need to ask another Koji admin to do so.